Yeah. Hi, people! It's gonna be a... Hi guys! We're here today waiting umalis with them. Wait lang, paano to? Hirapan mo ma-switch ito. Ito! Sino? Ito. Tsaka ito. Pagod na. Ito, si Iya, antok na. Gusto na mag-select. Ito. Saka, today is May 13, 2026. Kiway na siya big. We're now going with them. Ayun na, na-zoom. Today, we're now already at Campus Tuhan and we're gonna lagaw-lagaw together with them.
Manok ni Kano Guwapo.
Kainis. Oh, where to?
It's our, ano tawag siya na ganyan sa mga artista bala. Amon nga bouncer. As you can see, our bouncer,
Oh, go.
Manok ni Kano Guwapo.
Oh, na.
as you can see, the engineer that made this building is my great-great-grandfather, which is Engineer Romulo Alberto. So, thank you so much. So, because of you, I'm so, yeah.
Manok ni Kano Guwapo.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Some are great and some are few. And others lie while
Hi,
some of us
Kami.
be telling the truth.
Parang MV nga. Music video.
May bagot ako ng ano.
Yeah. Ha? Oo, alam mo to kanina.
Ligo dason?
Kain muna.
Abi-abi muna, di ba?
Abi-abi muna,
Abi-abi
mga... Ano ko na sa Under the Sea.
Wow.
Under the Sea.
Camcorder. Ikaw lang ging no. Napicture pala kami nang.
Ara, mau to. Mau ne, mau no. Josh, puga mo.
Ay, ang Donya Agata. Donya Agata. What can you say to today's event?
Yes,
Yes, and what?
very great.
Very dami, very what?
Very beautiful.
Bakit James Star karon niya?
Ayun. Baby. Pagod na, baby. Kaluoy. Hi! Dilim. Dilim ate. Ayan. Happy birthday!
Ano kayo? Ulot man na.
Hello, feeling. Kay laki ng manok ni Kano Guwapo. Mami Babs, video galing. Ina sila?
Grabe yung ship, no? Binayaran.
Hi kayo!
Ay, picturean na ako dito.
We are looking for Owel and Friends.
Kita kayo doon! Isa nyo doon!
Uy! Wow! So pretty. Wow! Yes, we're here guys at the, ano tawag dito, Zia? Bridge. Bridge. We're in the bridge right now. Ito, nandun sila. Say hi to the vlog.
Skybike na. Wait! Kapalit ticket na. Tatakbo ulit. O sige, ako man.
Ano? Kami picture pala.
Adriano! Adriano! Ariano!
Nisi! Nisi! Wave kayo! Ayan.